subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a DIY lip scrub, and now we're going to start with a bowl. I got this at the Dollar Tree. You're going to also need a Vaseline and a container. Just because I'm going to be using this container, you can also get this at Walmart, Target, any drugstore. And you're going to be using a brown sugar. It doesn't really matter what kind of brown sugar you need. This is the one I have at home. You're going to be using honey. It doesn't really matter what kind of honey you use, but I really love this honey. It's the best thing ever. And also you're going to be needing a spoon. Make sure the spoon is not so big. Now we're going to start with the bowl and the Vaseline. And I'm pretty much going to be emptying the whole Vaseline into the bowl just because I'm going to be using the container. So after it's done, I'm going to be smushing it everywhere, making it flat so all the product could fit in there. So now I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and now I'm just pretty much going to mix it all the way around. Just be careful, it gets kind of messy. After mixing it around for a couple of minutes, the consistency should look like this. Now you're going to be putting it into your container. And ta-da! That's what your product should look like. Now it's ready to be used. I usually use it in the nighttime just because it's better for me, and I know I'm not going to be eating or anything like that. And I know in the mornings my lips will be soft and smooth and ready to go. So now I'm going to show you how do I apply my lip scrub. Now I use it for my lips, and I usually just rub it for a couple of minutes just because I really want the product in my lips, and my lips are super dry, so this is why I usually rub it for a couple of minutes. So now I'm going to be using a toothbrush. Make sure your toothbrush is a brand new toothbrush or a brush you're not going to use anymore, just because you don't want extra bacteria in your lips, and you know that the toothbrush is, you're not going to use it for something else, just for that purpose. Final touch is wipe it off with the pad, or just wash it off, or you can even eat it, but I don't like to eat it. I just like wiping it up with the pad. So in the end, your lips should look just like this. It's very soft, very smooth. So if you guys like this video, or you think this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah. Let me love more, what you know. Let me love more, what you know.